Alright guys, now let's go over Tuesday's price action. I'll walk you through what I was looking at before the market opened and how things played out during the day. So this is the chart from before the market opened around 9:25 a.m. These were the key levels I had marked. On the upside we had the Monday high and on the downside we had the London low. And you can see the market was already trading very close to the Monday high. The idea was pretty simple. I was expecting price to run the Monday high once the session starts and then see how it reacts from that level before looking for any other setups. Now after the market opened, you can see that within the first 15 minutes, price took the Monday high and then started moving down. And during that move, we got two 15-minute fair value gaps, one from the 9 a.m. candle and another from the 9:30 candle. These were the main areas I was watching for potential reactions. The plan was to wait for price to come back into one of these gaps and then look for a setup on the lower time frame. Now when price came back into the 9:30 a.m. FEG, it did not respect it and actually closed below the gap. So there was no trade for me in that area. From that point, I was just waiting for more structure to form to understand what the market was trying to do. And later around 11:30, price came back into the 9 a.m. FEG, which is where we started looking for setups again. Now if you zoom into the 1 minute time frame, you can see that price gave a reaction from the 9 a.m. 15-minute FEG. A setup did form here and technically this was a valid entry model. But as you can see, the setup failed and would have taken the stop loss. Now firstly, I did not take this trade and there was a couple of reasons for that. First one being this was the day before FOMC, so the market usually tends to be a bit slow or unpredictable. Second, we had PPI coming the next morning, which also adds uncertainty. And also, this was the day when the contract rolled over from March to June, which can sometimes affect price behavior. Considering all these factors, I decided to stay out and avoid taking any trades today. And if you look at how the rest of the day played out, you can see that the market basically chopped around for the entire session. There was no clear direction and price just stayed within a range. So overall, this was a day where not trading was actually the best decision. Trying to force trades in this kinds of market would most likely have resulted in losses. So yeah, that was it for Tuesday. Not much opportunity and more of a stay out kind of day. If you guys found this helpful, consider subscribing and I'll see you guys in the next one.